Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a camel. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know my next upcoming video, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a sharp edge oval for camel ear. Next, draw up curve and another sharp edge oval for the second ear. Now draw up and down curve, one towards down and another towards up for the face. Now from the second ear, draw a standing line and alphabet small m curve. Now draw standing line with upward curve for the leg. Now draw alphabet L curve from the neck. Draw curved standing line and end up with W for the first leg. Draw another curved straight line with W for the second leg. Now close both the leg with curved standing lines. Now draw a sleeping line for the tummy and close fourth the line with a straight curved line and close it with W. Draw fourth leg again with a straight curved line and W curve. Now draw two parallel lines towards down and end up with a sharp edge oval. Draw a curved straight line parallel to the first one. Draw two circles for an eye and eyebrow. Draw two closed curves for the mouth. Let's start coloring. Today I am going to use watercolor. Dark brown color. Remember, before filling the color inside, make sure to give the color to the boundary and start filling the color inside. Start filling the color from one direction to another direction, line by line, so that the color won't go outside. See, it's very simple, right? light brown color. Red color for the mouth. Black color. Give black boundary outline. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and learn shapes with caterpillar. See you.